Good evening. I'd like to welcome you all to Digital Trading Flow. It's a platform where we disseminate financial data in real time to provide actionable insights using live streaming technologies for educational purposes. You can follow along as I navigate the markets by trading in my own account, and hopefully, you will learn how I analyze the data in real time to make trading decisions. The purpose of making this video is to provide a macro perspective for Nifty, and we are also going to be discussing what is likely to happen in the month of November in Nifty. So let's get started with multiple time frame analysis of Nifty. So here we are seeing iCharts website. You can search in Google iCharts and you would be able to access the free end of the day data. And if you see the yearly candlestick for 2020, we have opened at 12,202 level. So as long as market is below 12,202 level, yearly market participants, they are not buying in the market. That is below 12,202 levels, market is under control of sellers with respect to yearly time frame participants. And if we see the half yearly time frame, we will see that market is under control of buyers above 10,323 levels. And if we see quarterly time frame, you have to remember that October is start of new quarter, October to December. So October monthly open as well as the quarterly open is the same. And if we see the weekly time frame of Nifty, we will see that market is trading below its weekly open at 11,937 levels. So for getting scenarios of what is likely to happen next week, you can see the description area of this video and you will be able to find a link to our recent blog post where we discuss the most likely weekly scenario for Nifty. However, coming back to our macro view, here we can see that all multiple time frames are currently in conflict with each other. If we analyze based on current monthly candle, we have to remember that October monthly candle has closed at 11,642 levels. So scenario for next month will depend on Monday opening, that is 2nd November. And you have to remember on 2nd November multiple time frames are going to open, the monthly time frame, the weekly time frame as well as the daily time frame for shorter term trading. So scenario for 2nd November to 30th November is above 11,642 levels. We can potentially trade towards 12,025 levels, 12,208 levels, and potentially 12,438 levels. And on the flip side, below 11,347, we can trade towards 11,164 levels, 10,934 levels, and potentially 10,705 levels. And we have to remain neutral in the range of 11,642 as to 11,347 levels. And this is the 12-month EMA which is plotted on the monthly candlestick. So currently market is trading above its moving average, and it is best that we have to look for buying opportunities only. So as a bullish trader, we can look for buying opportunities on a positional basis only above 11,642 levels, and below 11,642 levels we can refrain from any positional long view in the markets. Now we are going to be discussing our stock watch list for November month. So our watch list contains 16 stocks and we would be only looking for buying opportunities in these stocks. So Bajaj Finserv, we would have to, and you also have to see that these are inside candlesticks. So whenever we have an inside candlestick, it just tells us that market is in an equilibrium. That is, buyers and sellers are both balanced. So we would look for breakout to the upside for delivery purposes. And if we trade above 6170 levels, we would look for buying opportunities from a positional perspective in Bajaj Finserv. Second stock is Bajaj Finance. It is again an inside monthly candlestick. So above 3519, we would look for buying opportunities in Bajaj Finance. Divi's Lab is also an inside monthly candle. So above 3 to 70 levels, we'll look for buying opportunities in Divi's Lab. Dr. Reddy is also an inside candlestick. So above 5323 levels, we'll look for buying opportunity in Dr. Reddy. Exide Industries, it is again an inside monthly candlestick. So above 169 levels, we'll look for buying opportunities in Exide. This stock is India Bulls Housing Finance. And above 162 levels, we'll look for buying opportunities in this script. And until and unless it breaks its highs, we won't be looking for any positional trades in India Bull Housing Finance. Other stock is ICICI General Insurance. Above 1310 levels, we look for buying opportunities. Otherwise, we would not be looking for any opportunities in this stock in case it breaks to the downside. ICICI Prudential Life Insurance. It is again a monthly inside candlestick, so we look for buying opportunities above 442.6 levels, and we would refrain from trading if it doesn't starts to trade above its previous month highs, which is 442.6 levels. In the Sind Bank, it's again an inside monthly candle, so above 648 levels, we look for buying opportunities in this Sind Bank. Otherwise, we would refrain from making any trades in this Sind Bank. Infratel, on monthly candlestick, it's again an inside candlestick, and above 206 levels, we look for buying opportunities. Otherwise, we would not look for taking deliveries in these stocks or from a positional perspective. Other option stock is Jubilant Food. It is again an inside monthly candlestick. So above 2419, we look for buying opportunities in Jubilant Food. Mahindra and Mahindra Finance. On monthly time frame, it's again an inside candlestick, and above 137.5, we'll look for buying opportunities. Otherwise, we'll refrain from making any trades in this stock. McDowell's is again an inside candlestick, so above 536.7, we'll look for buying opportunities. Otherwise, we would refrain from taking any positional long trades in this script. Piramal Enterprises, it's again an inside monthly candle. Above 1360.5, we look for buying opportunities. Else, we will refrain from taking any positional trades in Piramal. RBL Bank, it's again an inside candlestick. So we look for buying opportunities above 186.1 levels. Else, we would refrain from trading in this script. State Bank of India, it's again an inside candlestick. Above 207.4 levels, we look for buying opportunities. Else, we would not be making any trades in this script. So this is our watch list for stocks for the month of November. That is, if we break previous month highs, and we would be looking trend following tools on hourly time frames to trade the breakouts to the upside. So for example, take for example Bajaj Finserv. Suppose we break 6169.5 levels to the upside. So based on monthly candlestick, we would be trading the breakout, and we would be using 60-minute time frame, and you can apply any trend following tool on this script. Take for example exponential moving average. We can apply 20 period moving average on Bajaj Finserv, and suppose on monthly we make a breakout to the upside above 6170 levels, we'll be trading the breakout and using the moving average on hourly time frame as a trailing stop. And I would request you to hit the like button, share, and subscribe to Digital Trading Floor